Alright,
come on.
Go on.
Oh, there's also stone. Now, I have a game we can play while we're here. Play adventure. Oh yeah, like. Wait, I think I remember the secret journal holding all the secrets of Gravity Falls here. We must look for it. Ooh, I found one. Wait, what is that? It means we must go ahead. Mama, you almost pushed me. You scared me. You scared me. You almost gave me a heart attack. Oh, but Leo, there's a dark secret about Dora. It said that her companion actually wrote the journal. And on to our adventure, Leo. Watch out for avalanches and watch out for falling trees. Oh, a lot of snakes must live there. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Holy moly. I'll have to decide if I drop my pen. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. 1997.
Put it in your pocket.
Gravity Falls starts. And that's my first time. It said that this is where it began because there was a little secret cut to enter again. Mama, can I throw a rock over there?
Yeah.
You're missing your friend. Tell your friend you're never gonna get up. Would two of these hills stacked on top of each other equal a mountain?
I really don't know. That's a good question. What height does a hill officially become a
I
mountain?
remember we were 3,000
Yeah.
something, 200.
call a cookie that's a crook?
What?
A cookie.
You're such a dork. Yeah, okay, we'll go with that.
Yeah.
The cookie.
Cookie.
Where do you learn your stuff?
Get it?
Yeah, I get it, honey. I get it.
Oh, we're finally going to some stairs. After so long.
Finally,
Time
I'm
for
okay with no stairs.
Yeah. Time for the lazy drop. Here goes for the railing.
Go ahead.
It looks like there were stairs down there.
Huh?
It looks like there's stairs down there, but not anymore. Ooh, Mom, Sophie, do you see the same sandstone right there? Oh yeah, it's sandstone. The sandstone is fragile, so don't do it. Push it. Mommy, can I tell you how sandstone got here, even though we're in a forest?
Yeah.
Okay, so how sandstone formed is that years and years and millions of years ago, it could have been a beach. And over time, the landforms changed, but the sand didn't go away, and it was just buried from a bunch of. Kobe, you had something on your shoe. What? Like in this one. Oh, get it. So pretty.
It is.
Hold up.
Yeah.
Where does the water go? To the other side? Yeah, this water's been going on for a while. It goes more. Look, it's getting thicker and thinner and thinner. No! Now, then, part. Oh, wait, look at it. This is nice. Holy moly. Ew. Why is this water so black?
Go over there, babies. Go over there, babies. This is why I brought you here.